Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about solving radical equations and plugging in number. So let's start. Now let's say if we have 5 square raised to 4 x cubed minus 12 equal 28. Now according to the equation shown below, what is the value of x minus 7 square? So first step, we need to find x. Now let's find x. So first step, we need to take minus 12 from left to the right. So we get 5 square x cubed is equal 28 plus 12. Now 28 plus 12 is equal 40. Now next step, we need to divide both sides by 5. So we cancel 5 and 5, so we get square x cubed is equal 8. Now square x cubed can be written x to power of 3 over 4 equal 8. Now we need to find x. So let's raise both sides by 4 over 3 to cancel 4 with 4 and 3 and 3. So we get x. Now x is equal 8 to power of 4 over 3. Now 8 to power of 3 to power of 4 over 3 over 3 can be written 8 to power of 8 to power of 1 over 3 raised 4 raised to 4. So x is equal. Now we need numbers. If we multiply 3 times, we get 8. So we have 2 times 2 times 2. So 8 to power of 1 over 3 is equal to, and 2 to power of 4 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equal 4, 4 and 2 times 2 is equal 4. 4 times 4 is equal 16. So x is equal 16. Now we find x. So let's find x minus 7 square. X is 16 minus 7 square. 16 minus 7 is equal 9 square. 9 square is equal 81. So the final answer is 81. Now another example. Let's say if we have square root 3y minus 5 is equal y minus d. Which of we need to find the value of y if d is equal 3. So let's place d with 3. So we have 3y minus 5 is equal y minus 3. Now to find y, first step we need to raise both sides to power of 2. Now we cancel 2 and square, so we get 3y minus 5 is equal y minus 3 square. Y minus 3 times y minus 3. Now y times y is equal y square. Y times minus 3 is equal minus 3y. Minus 3 times y is equal minus 3y. And minus 3 times minus 3 is equal plus 9. And here we have 3y minus 5. Now let's take 3y minus 5 from left to right. So we get 0 is equal y square. Minus 3y and minus 3y is equal minus 6y. And 3y if we take from left to right, so we get minus 3y also. Minus 5, so we get plus 9 plus 5. Now 0 is equal y square minus 9y plus 14. Now Here you have a trinomial. So we have 14. We need two numbers. If we multiply, we get 14, and if we add them, we get -9. So we have -7 and -2. So y -7 and y -2. Now either y -7 is equal 0, and if we take -7 from left to the right, so we get y is equal 7, or y -2 is equal 0, and if we take -2 from left to the right, so we get y is equal 2. So this is the final answer.